Today's February 18th, 2026. I kind of thought this day might come, but I didn't want it to come now. Put the radiator in the Corvette, as you know from the previous video, but I found a oil leak. I think it's coming from the oil pan. So I'm going out here to investigate, see what we can find. I'm having trouble finding a shop that actually will do it. I don't have the tooling out here to do it myself, so I got to find a shop to do it for me, unfortunately, and that's taking some time. Okay, that's got to be a little bit bigger. Printing off a little plug for the radiator. So I'm going to crawl underneath this thing and see what we can find, if we can find anything. I'll get some brake clean under there and hopefully clean some off. Carb cleaner. Might have to use carb cleaner because I don't know if I have brake cleaner. There's a little bit of brake clean. We'll try that. I'm also going to get my torque wrench out and see if I can put a wrench on those bolts. Maybe they're loose, I don't know. But I'll be back when I get underneath there and see if we can figure this out. Alright. As you can see up in here, not a whole lot on the block. And you can see in there, it's coming from the seam, it looks like. Wish I knew where this coolant was coming from. Yeah, it looks like it might be a oil pan gasket. It's more wet on this side than the other side, so. I don't know. Might be that little sensor there leaking, maybe, huh? I could take it up to West Point and have them look at it real quick. But this coolant leak is what's bothering me. Where is it coming from? It's not wet on top of there, but it's wet on the bottom. How can we have it wet on the... That is wet on the top, isn't it? I'm going to do a little investigating here. I should probably run this thing again just to see what's going on, huh? But I think I might call that guy in West Point and have him put it up on the rack and see what he can find. Go from there. But I'm not sure I got the right size here or not. Might need a longer extension though. Yep, longer extension. Longer extension. Got the right socket though. I'll be right back. Alrighty. I'm back. I'm back. No. They're not loose. They're not loose. It's a front main leaking. Yeah, it's dirty up there. It's dirty up there, that's for sure. Let's do some spraying and find out what's going on. It's pretty wet in there, isn't it? Get this stuff out of the way a little bit so I don't get it all wet. Don't need to get that all wet. I'm not sure what we're gonna do, but definitely have to take it someplace, because this is beyond my capability. But we know the bolts are tight, so it tain't that. Alrighty. We'll come back in a day or two and see what happens, huh? I am not sticking my hand up in there again, that's for dang sure. Alright. We'll call that good for now. Good for nothing. Alright, there we go for that little excursion. We're going to go back in the house now and drown our sorrows. I got to reprint this a little bit bigger. So, yeah. Got to get this done today. At least looked at and done with that part of it. Because you see all this stuff? Tomorrow it's going to be white. Some snow coming in tomorrow, and said probably 3 to 6 inches from what I hear. So we might get to play with the Ranger again. We'll see. So I'll be back when I get this figured out and let you know what's going on. But it's not something I can do here in my shop because I don't have the tools for it. I can't support the engine to keep it from coming out. I don't have a hoist. I don't have the support. So I gotta farm it out. We'll see. See how bad the leak gets. But if it doesn't get too bad, I'll leave it. But I don't like the oil leaks. I really don't. Beautiful day though. Beautiful day today, right now. Gonna change. Later. All right. Welcome. February 28th, 2026. So let's see what this thing is doing. Not too awful wet. Well, still wet there, but whale. Guess we'll keep an eye on it for a while and see what happens. And while I was in here last time, I found a hole right here. You do not want to stick your hand in. Do not stick your hand in here. Right here. My hand isn't all that big, and you're gonna hurt yourself if you do. Because I couldn't get it out. It goes in one way, and it acts like a Chinese finger torture with your skin, and you can't get it back out. So I had to pull really hard. I thought I was stuck. I honestly did. I had to pull really hard to get it out, and it actually ripped my skin a little bit. But that was over a week ago, and the damage has already been healed. I wonder if I just need a new seal for that plug. Maybe, huh? Maybe, huh? I bet that's all it is. Huh. I already got new oil in it, so I'm not going to worry about that. But at the end of summer, if there's not too bad, then I am going to change that seal on that oil plug. Or I'll get a new oil plug with a magnetic thing in it. But it's not dripping anywhere. I think we're going to be okay. But anyway, do not stick your hand up in this hole. For the love of God, do not do that. You will regret it. But this one you can't do it, obviously. But this one right here, between the spring and the frame, do not do it. So I think we're going to be okay for now. So, with that find, or lack thereof, I'm not going to worry too much about the oil leak at the moment. It could just be an oil plug. I'm hoping that's all it is. And I haven't put the front wheels back on the car for one reason. And you can see something missing off the front end there. My splitters are splitters. I got two. One is a backup. But they are in a body shop. Hopefully being fixed for the fiberglass one and painted for the carbon fiber one. So I'm waiting on those to come back, then I'll put those on. Put one of them on, put the fiberglass one if it's repairable. I'll put that back on the car. And then we'll get the front wheels on and we'll drop her down. Should be ready to drop down after that. Oh, I do have to do one more thing. I do have to change my brake fluid. I do want to do that. I just bought some of this stuff, and I'm going to be changing it to that. I can't remember what I have in there now, but it's not like the store-bought stuff. It's high-performance stuff. But this mold tool should be better. That's what's going in, so that should be easy enough to do. So since this is the last day of February, I am going to leave you with a last day of February 2026 sunrise. Whoops, I forgot something. And that's where this video is. So I will see you guys on the next one. And we'll see if we can't get something else figured out video-wise. Might be the brake fluid, might be something else, but it's got to warm up a little bit. It's a little chilly out today yet still. It's only 45 degrees in the garage. So with that, I'm going to sign off on this one. Oil leak is on hold until I can figure it out. Give it a little time, see if it starts leaking again. So as always, stay safe, stay grape, God bless. Later. Ooh, I forgot to tell you. When I get my wheels re-chromed in the fall, and I'm pretty sure that's going to happen, I found some more chrome caps. I actually found some that actually were the right part number for the wheels on eBay. I found a whole set of 4. They worked out pretty good, and very scratched up, very little, so if at all. And I also had, he also had 3 extra caps, so I got 1 3/4 sets with that. And then I went on Marketplace here a couple weeks ago, and the guy in Gretna was selling us a set that weren't actually specific for these wheels, but they were for the C6 Z06 wheels. No logo. They look very similar to these, so I went ahead and bought them. Got all 4, And he sent me a message back, said, hey, I got 2 sets of these if you want them both. I'll give you both of them for like 20 bucks. Done deal. Done deal. Even if they weren't the same, hey, I was going to take a chance for 20 bucks. And they are both the same. So I got 3 full sets and 3 extra caps for these wheels. So if I screw something up, I got plenty extra. So these wheels are going to be on the car for quite a while. So I will be getting them chromed. Just a matter of time. Probably in the fall. So with that, I'll let you go.